All right, we're going over the incline barbell bench press. Now, a few things to take note of to make sure that you are doing this exercise effectively to contract the upper clavicular chest region and to make sure that you prevent injury. Now, number one, always starting with a solid foot base. Regardless of the exercise, you always want to make sure that you have a nice stability and balance with a solid foot placement. Number two, you want to make sure that your hands are just about a little outside of shoulder width apart, right? If you have your hands too close on the bar, you're going to be contracting a lot of their tricep muscles. You want to make sure that you keep the tension specifically on the chest. So hands a little outside of shoulder width. Number three, you want to make sure that you maintain a very slight arc in the back, right? If you have your back completely straight, you're going to be minimizing the amount of contraction on the chest. So make sure that you have a slight arc in the back. And number four, when you're actually executing the exercise, you want to make sure that your elbows are not completely flared out, right? This puts a lot of stress and tension on the shoulder and rotator cuff. You want to make sure that your elbows are slightly in towards the body, and then you're going to execute the movement, coming down all the way to the chest to get a nice stretch, and then exhaling, pushing all the way up to make sure that you're getting maximum contraction of that upper chest muscle. That is how you do an incline barbell bench press.